Hey guys, and how's it going? You got Adam and Brenna here today. We're working on my Hitachi 100 excavator. Um, Trying to get into this YouTube thing, and it's hard to do. It's a lot of work to film yourself, and you end up critiquing yourself. And so I've decided we're just gonna start cranking out some videos, and hopefully they get better as they go. And we'll see what happens with it. But Brenna's helped me today. We started this project, and I do this all the time. We start something, and I say, we should have videotaped that. And you get the project started, and it's like, well, why start now? Well, we got this started. What we're doing is taking the swing motor out of this excavator. I think it was 2 winters ago now. I went to use this, and there was ice down in the swing assembly of it somehow. And when I went to swing the machine, I started it up, went to swing the machine, and it like locked up. And I don't know if it bent the shaft or what, but it definitely took the seal out. And I've had to add oil to this about every day. You use it, you got to fill up this gear case with oil, and it'll last for a day's work, and then you got to fill it up the next day. So we're starting to get into busy season here. This is something that needed done for a while now, so we're working on it. We got all the bolts out of the mounting flange there, and we got to take off there's 4 lines here, well, 2 hard lines, and then there's 3 rubber lines, and we should be able to lift it out of there and see what's going on. So let's get to it. I need like a 6-inch extension for this 3/8 ratchet. Maybe grab a 10-inch or 12-inch one too. These are called cap screws that I'm taking out right now. You can climb up here and get a better look if you want. And sometimes they can be tricky to get out. They like to round out, like the center of them. So that's why you use the hammer. You tap it in there so you get it seated real good, and you have less of a chance of it rounding out. See how that went in there when I tapped it?
Yeah.
If they all do that, we'll be happy. It's about 60 degrees today. I'm really enjoying this weather we're having. I'm ready for summer. Sick of being cooped up in the house all winter, which I'm not cooped up, but you just don't enjoy the outside as much when it's cold out. I'm gonna grab me a bucket or one of those little stainless bowls, like to catch fluid in.
Yep.
There's one on that bench, I think.
It's filled with oil.
Okay, so dump it out in the oil container, like the plastic container. Or there's another bucket there in front of the tire machine that has oil in it. You can empty it in it. That might mess us up for getting my ratchet in there. I'm gonna go get me the electric ratchet. Wow. I have these fancy plugs for these lines. Oh, that's the wrong side, though. But I don't have anything for those flat face couplers, so we have a bucket under the machine catching that stuff. Brenna, you want to go start the fork truck up?
Sure.
Turn
that one right over there. Or which one?
The cat. And turn the propane tank on. It's probably off. Flat face. Good. All right, Brenna, get on the forklift. Up. Easy. A little bit. Out. Side shift this way. No. Yeah. Push it ahead, I think. Oh, out of the way. Up real easy. Good job. Keep going. Hold up. The parking brake's on. Take it off and drive forward a little bit. Good. Up. Don't stop. Yep. Okay, you're going to back up, but as you back up, you're going to turn it just a little bit so you swing it out away from this railing. You're going to bring it right out through here. Real easy. Turn your wheel harder. Yep. Go easy. Start lowering it, get it closer to the ground. That'll make it safer. swing motor again. It's our old seal. There's our new one. Battery's dead. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you helping me?
You help me?
No, are you helping me?
I'm sucking me. Mommy. Baby.
That isn't mommy.
Huh?
Mommy's not there.
Is it mommy? Is it Gato? Is it Gato, Mama? Is it Pop? No. Dad.
What?
Is it Pop?
No, it's just us.
Dad?
We're making a video.
Dad.
You and me.
Hi there.
You're gonna be a big star someday.
Dad. Stop. Yeah. I can take my phone. Cool. Now my tattoo. My tattoo.
Should loop that up.
Heavy. It's heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy. I can't pull it. I can't quit. I can't still quit. Here. It's heavy. It's heavy. That's heavy. So got it. Got it. It's about heavy. It's got it. Oh, come on. It's got it. It's funny. Let's come in. You. That's heavy. It's heavy. You.
In this clip, this seal really fights me. The lip of the seal keeps rolling on me, and I got to take it back off and fix the lip. The little spring in the seal there, if you're familiar with them, it keeps popping out. I got to re-put that back in its groove, and it just did not want to go together right. And so I sped this up so it's not as boring, but eventually I get it, but I get sidetracked and forget to put the gasket maker between the two surfaces, so I have to pull it back apart and do it all over again. But it seemed like once I got it to go the way I needed it to, it went back together pretty easy. So let me know what you guys think of this video. This is kind of new to us. It's a long video. Brenna and I are sitting here editing this tonight, and we've both been working on it, and we think we did okay, but let us know if what we need to do to improve them. And we appreciate the feedback and appreciate you guys watching. And so yeah, this is going pretty good, we think, and hopefully there will be more, more videos like this in the future. set it up here.
Okay. Summer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's heavy. You? Happy kid.
I got that on there,
Huh?
but now I forgot to put a sealant between this and that because I was focused on getting that seal in there, which was kind of hard to do. So I guess I got to tear it back apart. Okay, I had to run out, so I'm back. I filled this up with oil before I left, so this has been sitting with oil for hours, and as you can see, we have no leaks. The bench is dry, so that's a good sign. Before it wasn't doing that. I need, I think I missed out in the video. I got to torque these down yet. They're snug, but I got to torque them. And I just set this first planetary gear in here. Brenna's home from school. Bend down and say hi, Brenna. Put your face in there.
Hi.
And so she's helped me. We got to clean up some more of these mating surfaces, and we'll get this planetary section put together. Really, we should have this thing, as long as I have enough gasket maker, we should have this thing back together here tonight. I don't know if we'll set it in the machine today, but which this is good because I got a job lined up. I have to dig out about 20 stumps. If we're lucky, I'll make a video on that or some of it, and we'll get it uploaded too. That's I'm trying to make more videos, but it's a lot of work to video yourself and feel good about posting it too, I guess, is the other thing. So so now we have to clean up these surfaces. This is the next part that goes on there, and that's, I showed you earlier in the video, these indentations. So we'll get these surfaces cleaned up and gasketed and gooped up and bolted on, or ready to be bolted on, and bring you back. This surface is all cleaned already. There's some like color changes in it, but it's all smooth and clean. We're using some right stuff. Got 3 dots here, and I have 3 dots here. So that line goes up. And we got one in here, so that's good. Long bolts in the first wire. All right, Brenna's over there finishing up the bolts. I got this surface clean and the one that's mating to it, which is the hydraulic motor side of things. So we got to put a pinion gear in here and another set of planetaries and then the hydraulic motor and bolt it all together, and hopefully when I get this all set in there, she will be ready with the bolts. This stuff's all relatively in pretty good shape. I've been watching a guy on YouTube recently called Northeast Hillbilly, I think, and he's working on a similar machine, and boy has he done a lot of work to it, some of which is rebuilding his swing motor. But his gears were rusty and bearings were not very nice on these planetaries and stuff, and so anyhow, I'm pretty fortunate in that aspect that mine doesn't need all that. That's how that works. The hydraulic motor turns that sun gear, and then it just gear reduces it down through there. Pretty slick. If you enjoy this type of stuff, his channel is pretty interesting. It's amazing what he takes on with what he has. He's working with a limited shop and sometimes limited tools, but he seems to get what he needs or make it, and he's very thorough. Definitely more so than I probably am on this job. Huh? It's right out of there. This thing's heavy.
Should I do it?
Nope. If you look in under there, is there any dirt that I knocked on top of anything that you see? I didn't mean to, but that one piece fell there that I got out.
Nope.
Okay. What do I got to do to line that gear up? Don't put your finger in there.
Oh. You got something. Can't really tell.
Something's not right.
Why not?
Because I don't think I hit the dipstick hole unless something turned. I think this dot needs to line up with that dot.
You already put it on.
So you help me see that. Oh. Oh.
Can I hold down on this?
No. Oh. That thing is stuck. Give me that pry bar. There's a pry bar here somewhere. Black handled one. I just had it. Crane. Okay, as I'm lifting that, I want you to try to twist this. 2 hands, stick it in there and twist it.
Which way?
Doesn't matter, you're just trying to pry it up. What we don't want to do is knock this whole thing off the bench. It's pretty stable, but... Ready?
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Where's my dots?
Right. Here's one. Here's the other one, I think.
Do it again.
Over. Pretty good. Should line up. Your dots.
That's 1, 1, 1, 1. Where's the 2 and 3s?
I saw another eye dot right there.
They're right here. This dot needs to go over here. So where are they at over here? Right here.
Here, I'll put my finger here. Just can kind of shut over this way here a bit down. There you go. There you go. That's more better.
Hopefully that's right. Hopefully it's sealed. We're gonna roll with it. Let's make sure the dipstick goes down in there. Okay. Which ones are clean?
These two right here.
Brenna, as you get those cleaned off, you can start them in those holes.
Okay.
It will. There's still silicone in there in those holes from the last time this was tore apart. I should have probably cleaned it better, but Brenna, did you drop one somewhere? I believe there's one more somewhere. See anything?
No.
Well, apparently we're missing a bolt for that last assembly there. So we'll add oil to it, get it topped off. Leave it sit here for probably a day or two. And make sure it's not leaking anymore, which I don't think it's going to. What do you think, Brenna?
I don't think so.
You have a lot of faith in me.
I do.
That's a good thing. Just a little bit over full, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. I will probably end up changing this oil relatively soon just to make sure that we don't have a whole lot of dirt in it. So we're going to leave that alone for right now. Plus there'll be air and stuff in there and maybe settle out a little bit. We'll check it later. You want to go get me a crescent wrench? It's hanging on the wall. If you don't have a pair of Nippics, these are one of the best pliers I've ever owned. They're a little pricey, but these pliers wrench, I like them a lot. They don't slip, and they just work good. I like a good product. This is about ready to be set back in. I might throw a coat of paint on it before I do, but I'll have to clean it up. But for now, this is good. We'll catch you guys on the next one.